Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can verify identity on PrizePicks, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. If your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means we need more information before we can verify your identity. After you submit a valid government-issued photo ID, you will be notified with one of the following status reports. Verified. You will receive a notification that says verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing PrizePicks. Resubmit ID. The most common reasons for this are a blurry picture, improper lighting, or an invalid ID like a library card or debit card. Placed in review. A verification specialist will review your account information further. Denied. If you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on PrizePicks. PrizePicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. For security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. And that's how you can verify identity on PrizePicks. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.